All right, this is first grade math, topic 11, using models and strategies to subtract tens. So this is just our cover page, a little introduction. We're going to actually just go to the back page and review what we already know. So here's our vocabulary. How many tens are in this number? So from our place value chart, we know this is ones, and we know this is where our tens go. So we have 2 tens. Use the 100 chart to count by tens. We're starting at 30. So we've got 30, we're counting by tens, 40, 50, 60, 70, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Use the open number line to add. We're doing 7 plus 9. We're going to start at 7, and we're going to do 9 hops. We can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we know that 7 plus 9 is 16. Count back to subtract. Mark takes 8 flowers. Julia takes 3 fewer pictures than Mark. Why did I say flowers? Mark takes 8 pictures. I am so sorry. Julia takes 3 fewer pictures than Mark. Count back to find how many pictures Julia took. So we know that she took 3 fewer pictures. So we already know that 8 minus 3 is 5, but we're going to count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5. And so we know that it's 5 pictures. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, Katie picks 15 flowers. That's where I got my flowers from. I was reading ahead. Max picks 13 flowers. Count back to find how many fewer flowers Max picked than Katie. So we're counting backwards down to 13. 15, 14, 13. So that brings us to 13 flowers. Subtraction facts. Find each difference. So we're subtracting backwards. I know that 12 minus 4 is 8. 14 minus 7 is 7. And 19 minus 9 is going to be 10. All right, let's go ahead and get right into our lesson. Lesson 11-1. We're subtracting tens and using models. Okay? How can thinking about 4 minus 1 help you to find the difference of 40 minus 10? So what we're going to do is take a look at this, and we're going to talk about 4 minus 1. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, place value blocks, minus 1. So I know that 4 minus 1 is going to equal 3. Now I'm going to do 10 sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40 minus 1 group of 10 is going to be 30. So I know that 40 minus 10 is 30. We're using groups of 10. Look, we've got a 4 here, a 1 here, and a 3 here. But this is 10 larger. These are groups of 10 larger. 4 groups of 10 is 40. 1 group of 10 is 10, and 3 groups of 10 is 30. Okay, so we're just using some of those strategies to answer groups of 1s and groups of 10. So it says, you know how to subtract 1s. 5 minus 1 is 4. So you can subtract 1 10 from groups of 10. So we have 5 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1 group of 10 is 4 group of 10. So 5 tens is 50. 1 10 is 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay? Do you understand? Show me. When you solve 40 minus 10, how does the tens digit change? Okay? So the tens digit. So I'm going to do 40 minus 10. I'm going to stack it because these are the ones, these are the tens. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. It changes right here because we subtracted the group of 10. The ones digit doesn't change. How does the one digit change? You could say it doesn't. Okay? And I know normally in the classroom we just talk about it, but because we're doing this remotely, I'm writing it out so that we can better understand it. Okay, let's go through our guided practice. Write the numbers to complete each equation. Let's see how many groups of 10 we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens, and we're going to be subtracting 1 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now let's break them into bundles of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 minus 10 equals 60. Okay, let's do our groups of 10 again. Let's see our total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 groups of 10, 6 10 sticks, minus 2 10 sticks will leave me 1, 2, 3, 4 10 sticks left. But let's see how much the value of each 10 stick is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 minus 10, 20 equals 10, 20, 30, 40. And again, you should be able to start seeing the pattern. 7, 7, 1, 1, 6, 6, 6, 6, 2, 2, 4, 4. So you should start to be able to see the pattern emerging as we do this. All right, let's go ahead and go onto our independent practice page. Again, you can do this all by yourself and come back and check it, or you're welcome to do it with me. All right, let's see how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 10 sticks, and we're taking away 1, 2, 3 10 sticks. So let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 tens left. Now, each 10 stick is worth 10. So now we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 minus 10, 20, 30 equals, let's see what we have left, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 equals 50. And again, you can see the pattern, 8, 8, 3, 3, 5, 5. Okay, let's do it again. Let's see how many groups of 10 we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 bundles of 10. We're going to take away one group of 10. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we're going to do it in our bundles of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 minus one group of 10 is 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay, let's do our group of 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 tens. Right here I can see we're taking away 1, 2 tens. 8 minus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. And then if we just put zeros at the end, that lets us know it's groups of 10. So we've got 80 total minus 20 equals 60. So we should be able to see the pattern as we do groups of 10. All right, let's do this again. How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of 10. We are subtracting 1, 2, 3. So take a look at here. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now we're doing it by groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 minus 10, 20, 30 equals 10, 20, 30 left for our multiples of 10. All right, let's head on to the back page here. Okay, our math practices and problem solving page. Okay, Ethan has 30 crayons. He gives 10 crayons away. How many crayons does Ethan have now? Write the equation. So Ethan has 30 crayons. We know when you give something away, that's subtraction. He gives 10 crayons away. So 30 minus 10 equals something. Now, this might be really big, and you might want to use a hundreds chart. But if we break up the group of 10, we could do 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 we know is 2, but we're doing groups of 10. So 30 minus 10 would equal 20. So he has 20 crayons left. Okay, let's go here to algebra. Algebra just means we're solving a math mystery. Jacob solved these problems. Did Jacob subtract 1 or 10 finish the equations? Okay, 50 minus something equals 40. Well, I can see right here I have a 0 in the ones place, a 0 in the ones place. I know that 5 minus 1 equals 4, and 0 minus 0 equals 0. So we know it's a group of 10. Now let's take a take a look at this. 60 minus something equals 59. Well, I can tell by the ones place we're not counting by groups of 10. There's a 0 there and a 9 there. So it says, did we subtract 1 or 50? I know that 60 minus 1 is 59. Okay, higher order thinking. Write and solve a story problem for 90 minus 10. I'm going to go ahead and solve 90 minus 10 over here. I'm going to stack it. 90 minus 10. Look at the ones place and the tens. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So we solved it, but now we need to write a story. I can say there were 90 pieces of candy. Okay, and we're giving away 10 of them. I gave away 10 pieces. And now I can say how many are left. How many are left? And again, you guys get to put this in your own words. So you can make up whatever story problem that you would like to. Okay, here's our assessment. There's the little Common Core symbol, the C within a C. This lets us know that we're going to have questions just like this on the test. Okay, 20 teddy bears are for sale at the store. After a day, 10 teddy bears are sold. How many teddy bears are on sale at the store now? So there's 20. Right here, we've got our total of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now it says 10 are sold. Sold is like we're giving them away. So I'm going to get rid of them because we sold them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to figure out how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are left. All right, great job, everybody.